To add purchase detail to your warranty via registration, follow these steps. Firstly, open the experience for which you want to add purchase detail. Once the experience opens, go to the Build Experience section. You must already have a registration and email capture module added to your experience. If you don't have that, and if you want to see how to create a new registration and email capture module, check out the link mentioned in the article. For the purpose of this video, I already have a registration and email capture module. Now to add purchase detail, I will click on Edit option. Go to the Advanced Settings. You will see various settings over here. Click on the Require Purchase Detail. Observe the following fields: name, phone number, purchase date, quantity, place of purchase, serial number, receipt, upload, and whether it is mandatory or not. You can customize any of these fields as per your requirement. Let's say you don't require purchase date and quantity field, simply uncheck the check boxes. If you want users to upload a receipt before the warranty is activated, choose this option, Require Receipt Approval. If not needed, just uncheck the checkbox. Click Save. Here is your experience. This is the registration screen. User would have to enter their email or register with Gmail to access the warranty module. I will enter my email. I will click on Register with Email. Upon doing so, I'll be directed to the Purchase Details screen, where I must complete all these fields for the warranty module to activate. So I will enter all the details. Name, serial number, place of purchase. I would have to upload a receipt and click Submit. Submission is successful, warranty is activated, and this would be your warranty module.